you're going to need to do is you open up the Phantom Wallet app like I've done so here. Now, once you've opened up the wallet, all you're going to want to do is you simply click on the buy option in the top right hand corner of the screen, where from here, you actually can see all of the coins you can buy directly from. Now, this is directly such as buying from your credit card or debit card, but what we want to do if we want to acquire any meme coin out there, you simply click on Ethereum and you want to buy like $10 or $15 worth of this, enter in your debit or credit card info, click on buy, and you'll have $10 in this account. Now, once you've done that, you go to the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen, where from here, you can actually enter in a meme coin that you want to buy. Let's just say we want to buy Pep like so. You can enter in Pepe or Dogecoin like so, and you can actually just click on the coin that you want to acquire, simply click on the swap option, and you can enter in the amount that you actually want to buy for. Let's just say I want to spend 1 Ethereum on Dogecoin. You can enter this in like so, where from here, you click on the insignificant funds because I just have no money in this account right now, but that's where it would click on buy right now, and then you would actually successfully acquire your Dogecoin, Pepe coin,